Hi everyone, the Penguin Chef here. Today we're going to be making beef stroganoff. So first thing, we're going to heat up our pan over medium-high heat. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're going to cook 1 pound to 1.25 pounds of steak strips, half at a time. You want the strips to be cut no more than 1/4 inch thick. And get these into a single layer. Try to separate them a little bit so they don't get stuck together. Let them go for maybe about a minute on each side, and you can kind of flip them over. And then you're gonna take these out and do the second half. I'm gonna put these into something you can cover. Once your steak is done, you can deglaze the pan with just about 2 tablespoons of white wine. Then we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Let that go until it melts. Once the butter is melted, we're gonna put in 1/2 an onion chopped and 1/2 pound of sliced mushrooms, your choice of color. We'll let those saute for a couple minutes until everything turns golden. Then we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Like I'd add anything else. All right, that's looking pretty good. Then we're gonna add in 1 cup of beef broth. Just use your spatula to sort of scrape the bottom in case there's any bits, loosen them up. Then we're gonna add 3/4 cup of heavy cream. While that's warming up, we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna mix that very thoroughly. We're just gonna let that simmer for a minute or 2 until it thickens up a little bit. All right, it's thickened up. We're just gonna take a little bit of the sauce and add it into 1/4 cup of sour cream to temper it so that it won't curdle when we mix it into the rest of it. Just gonna mix that up. The heat will prepare the sour cream. Then we're gonna add this to the pan. Keep stirring until it's incorporated. Now we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. You can also use Worcestershire sauce if you want. I'm allergic, so I don't. Or you can also use soy sauce. Then we're gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. If I can get it out of here. There we go. Finally, we're gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Stir that up real good till it's nice and blended. I've turned the heat down to low. We're gonna add back in our steak and any juices that might have accumulated in our container. We're gonna stir this up. We're gonna bring it up to a simmer just until the beef is heated through. All right, there it is, our beef stroganoff with that tender steak, those wonderful mushrooms, the sauce, all served over egg noodles. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the channel for more great recipes. Until next time.